Discover how pork bellies are transformed into the crispy bacon slices you love. From selecting premium cuts to slicing them just right, every step is key to its flavor and quality. So, how do they do it? The journey of bacon slices begins at the factory, where high-quality pork bellies are delivered daily. These bellies are selected with care, ensuring they have the perfect balance of lean meat and fat are a critical factor in creating that rich, savory bacon flavor and texture we all know and love. Once the pork bellies arrive at the factory, they undergo a rigorous inspection process. Each belly is carefully examined to ensure it meets strict quality standards. Workers and machines check for the correct fat-to-meat ratio, which plays a crucial role in producing bacon with the right balance of crispiness and chew. Only those pork bellies that meet these exacting standards move on to the next step in the production process. After inspection, the pork bellies are carefully lined up in the processing area. This ensures uniform exposure to the curing process, setting the stage for the infusion of rich flavors and preservation. In the brine curing step, pork bellies are prepared for flavor infusion using specialized injectors. These injectors evenly distribute a brine solution, a blend of water, salt, sugar, and spices, deep into the meat. This process ensures that each pork belly absorbs the brine consistently, enhancing its flavor and preserving the meat. The brining step is essential for achieving the rich, savory taste that defines high-quality bacon slices. Some factories also use a dry curing process, especially for specialty bacon products. Instead of a liquid brine, a dry mixture of salt, sugar, and spices is rubbed directly onto the pork bellies. This method also preserves the meat and infuses it with a deep flavor, but the curing process typically takes longer. Dry-cured bacon often has a more intense taste and is highly valued by those seeking gourmet bacon options. In the bacon smoking step, an advanced overhead rail automation system is used to streamline the process. After curing, the pork bellies are carefully loaded onto racks that are connected to an overhead rail. This automated system transports the pork bellies into large smoking chambers, where they are exposed to a controlled wood smoke environment. Factories often use different types of wood, such as hickory, apple wood, or maple, each imparting unique flavors to the bacon. The smoking process can last several hours, with the automated system ensuring consistent exposure to the smoke for each pork belly. The smoke infuses the meat, developing the rich, smoky aroma and taste that bacon is famous for. This automated system not only increases efficiency, but also ensures uniform quality, delivering that perfect balance of flavor in every slice of bacon. After smoking, the bacon undergoes a cooling process to stabilize its flavor and texture. Once cooled, it's considered fully smoked and cured. The slabs are then pressed into a uniform, sliceable shape, ready for slicing. In the bacon slicing step, precision and consistency are key, and the double-spindle bacon slicing machine plays a vital role in achieving this. This advanced machine is designed to slice pork bellies into perfectly uniform bacon slices, ensuring the highest quality standards are met at all times. The pork bellies, having gone through the curing, smoking, and cooling stages, are fed into the double spindle slicer, which is capable of adjusting the thickness to meet specific consumer preferences, from thin, crispy slices to thicker, more substantial cuts. The machine operates with dual spindles, providing high-speed slicing with remarkable accuracy. This ensures every slice is consistent, not only in size but also in thickness. Maintaining this uniformity is crucial for cooking purposes, allowing consumers to cook bacon slices evenly and achieve the perfect balance of crispiness and texture. To maintain quality, the machine is equipped with sensors and control systems that constantly monitor the slicing process. Any deviations or imperfections are detected in real time, and out-of-spec slices are automatically removed. This rigorous attention to detail ensures that only the best bacon slices, free from inconsistencies, make their way to packaging, ready for distribution to stores and restaurants. In the bacon slices inspection step, a sophisticated computerized system inspects and counts each rasher for quality and consistency. This automated process uses advanced sensors to check for proper thickness, fat distribution, and any imperfections. The system ensures that only perfectly sliced rashers pass through, while simultaneously counting each slice for accurate packaging. In the packaging and distribution step, the freshly sliced bacon is carefully placed into thermoformer pockets with precision. The unique conveyor design ensures the bacon is correctly positioned by lifting the board flap for easy handling. Custom-designed end-of-arm tooling then gently picks up the boards, securing them for loading into the pockets without damaging the bacon slices. Once the bacon is securely placed, a top film layer is applied over the filled pockets, providing an airtight seal. The packaging process continues as the completed pockets are sealed, and any excess material is trimmed away, ensuring a clean, professional presentation. This meticulous packaging method not only keeps the bacon fresh, but also extends its shelf life by preventing air exposure and contamination. Now, freshly packaged and sealed, the bacon is ready to be distributed to stores and restaurants, arriving in perfect condition. Whether cooked crispy or chewy, this expertly packaged bacon is ready for your oven, ensuring a delicious experience for consumers everywhere. So, there you have it, the fascinating journey from fresh pork belly to perfectly sliced bacon. Be sure to check out our next video on how salami is made as well.